Hey guys, if you would like to add a time on your home screen on your Android device, today's video I'm going to show you how exactly it's done. So first of all, you have to get landed into your home page. In my case, I have this home page right here. So what you have to do is you have to access widgets. For that, long tap onto your home screen, then you will see widgets at the bottom page. Tap it. Like here, you will see clock. Tap on clock. And if you would like to add alarm, you may go ahead and alarm section. But if you want a analog clock, you will see it right here. You can either choose this one or a digital clock. In my case, I would like to go for, let's say, this one. So tap onto it and it will show you if you would like to add it. Select add. And now, as you can see, the date matches and the time matches as well. So guys, if you would like to change it, you may go ahead and change it from here or add a clock from another country. If you would like to remove it, long tap onto it, select remove, and now it's gone.